So what you see here is a private driveway. But if you remember what it used to look like, and now it's ready and all roughed in for a garden suite. Over here, if you can see, we have it all roughed in for sewage, water, electricity, and gas. All these are main essentials to create the garden suite that we're going to be creating here. So why would you want to create a garden suite? Well, first of all, we're in East York, Toronto, and garden suites act as another way to generate income that is not in your physical space. So it's in your backyard, so there's no noise, there's no worrying about stomping of grounds or disturbing the upstairs tenants or downstairs tenants. They have their own headquarters there. So what's it going to cost me to build this garden suite? Well, anywhere from $400 to $500 per square foot is what they're averaging right now. So for a garden suite like this, it's going to cost you anywhere from $350,000 to $400,000. But the equity that it's going to bring you, it's going to be there, especially in the market like today.